What's up, online shoppers? You know how you definitely need to move things around your house, but sometimes they're just too heavy for you to lift? Well, I was gifted this completely awesome 3-in-1 rolling hand cart from the brand KEDSUM, and I'm gonna put it together for you so you can see why this is definitely something you're gonna want. First off, the thing that always impresses me when it comes to products is how good are their instructions. These instructions here are absolutely top notch. Full color, easy to understand pictures, all the pieces are listed right here, and everything in the box is labeled. You can't get better than that. Now, the assembly for this is relatively minor. Base of the rolling cart, a piece that comes up, handle right here. What we have to do basically is install wheels. So that's pretty minimal, and I like that. Here is the box with all the wheels, and here is the bag that has all of the parts. Now, I am absolutely cracking up. They provide you gloves for assembly. That'll give you a little bit extra better grip, I guess. Fantastic. Before you go attaching the wheels, I want you to know that there are two different variations. The wheels themselves are the same, but this one has the locking foot pedal. So you want to make sure that you put those on the outside here, and that the ones that are without the locking foot pedal go on the inside. And then again, as for fasteners, these ones are just going to take the screw with the hex bolt top. Another thing to note, this is the tool that they provide you for fastening all of the bolts, because this is a little bit thick and not the easiest to hang on to. I prefer just my own little tool here. That's the only addition I've made. So if you are looking to attach, you might want to go with your own tool. It just makes it a little bit easier for installing everything. And again, also don't tighten your bolts all the way until you have all four in. It's a great idea to make sure that everything lines up first before you get too tight. So now we're going to put the locking wheels on. These are the ones that go with the back. The fasteners for these are slightly different. They're a screw with a pointy top because they're actually going to thread into these holes here. And again, don't forget to put your washers on in between the metal plate and the screw to help ensure that they stay where they're supposed to. We're going to do the same thing. We're going to put the fasteners, slightly finger tighten them. So now we have all of the smaller rubber wheels on. Remember, we put the ones that have the 2 foot pedals right here, the locking pedals. Now we're going to take care of the 2 larger utility wheels. Now these ones come with a slightly different way to attach them. They have a larger locking bolt. The wheel is sided. This is the outside. The inside is a little bit more raised. And they have put end caps on, protects the threads. Put the locking nut on. So when you're putting these screws on, make sure that you put the part where you can see the little rubber washer that's built in to the outside. We're just going to finger tighten, and then we can use our wrench for it. All nice and tight, and the wheel spins pretty good. Slide that around and do the other side now. That's nice and tight. Wheel spins good. That pretty much completes the installation. And here we have it. Now that we have the cart fully assembled, I want to show you all the different ways that you can use it. So first, let's look at the 2-wheeled hand cart. The key to this is this little spring-loaded button right here. So when you push this, this actually comes out, but it's also going to extend this way, all the way, and then you hear it lock in place. Now I have a 2-wheel hand cart. Really nice. We can then translate this into a 6-wheel tilted cart. Put this down, depress the button in here. Now we're going to use this handle for moving. Spring-loaded button right here, which is going to allow the handle to extend. Easy to move, super height adjustable handle. If you're shorter, you can definitely operate from here, or if you want to have a little bit more bent over control, that definitely works. So this is one of your options here. Now the last option with this is the 6-wheel platform cart. Put this little nylon insert here, lock it in place, which then locks your handle in place. So instead of a handle that is angled and movable, you have the option of driving it this way and having a fixed back or handle here for moving your cart around. I have to tell you that I am super impressed with this 3-in-1 folding hand cart from KEDSUM. First of all, it's rated for 600 pounds, which means I can move a lot of different stuff around my house, my garden, and my shed. Secondly, the fact that it's convertible means that I can use it as a 2-wheel hand truck or with the 6 wheels and the handles in a variety of different placements. So whether I'm using it around work, at home, in my garden, or in my garage, this is definitely a valuable, versatile tool to have on hand. If you are looking for something that is made with quality, assembles very easily, is rated for 600 pounds, and has so many different applications, and really is just super smart engineered, this folding hand truck by KEDSUM is definitely going to be a family favorite at my house.